Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Canberra, Sydney. I've got this Porsche 996 I was working on. If you're watching my videos on YouTube, you can actually see where the progress I'm doing with this one here. So if you look, this is the IMS bearing removed out. So I advise the customer to get it done now when the engine is already out. So get it done. Might as well get it done. Oh, I got a new clamp for this one here. So you can see, you have to lock cylinder 1. Here must be locked so it doesn't move. Cylinder 1's most important one, because if cylinder 1 moves, cylinder everything moves. So if you lock cylinder 1 and you lock the crankshaft at the front, which I did, nothing moves. Alright, let's stop that center. So now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna replace the IMS bearing, boot new rear main seal, and my whole aim is to finish this today so I can do the bearing, rear main seal, and put the torque converter back in the gearbox and lift the gearbox up and put the gearbox on the engine, and then I can start building everything back up. That's my whole aim, but sometimes it doesn't go to plan. But the most important thing, I can actually finish the IMS bearing, the rear main seal, and then ready for actual gearbox installation. Once the gearbox go in, put the starter motor on from this side here, going onto the ring gear, flexi plate, and then I can actually put the intake, everything back on the intake, and then we'll go from there. All right, it's little things I have to replace, little seals, a few little things, cosmetic as well, but it's not. This is the most important bit to get done. I've done the tappets and all that, so now I'm just doing this part here. Nearly getting very quick. Getting very close to the actual putting the engine back in the car. All right, just one more time to look at the IMS bearing. Still not seized, still moving around, but you just never know what's going to happen. All right, after this I'm going to go to the front here, and then I'm going to do the modifications, the different the little actually Allen key modification for the actual oil feed here. It's going to go through there, and then put the actual front bit on, check everything, put it back together, and pretty much go from there. All right, if you're doing this kind of job, make sure you replace this gasket there and that gasket there. It's very important, that one and that one, because they usually leak. Hopefully it doesn't leak from the back here. If you have one of those, you gotta remove everything back up, but everything is brand new here. I've got new seals on this housing here at the back as well. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.